If you're considering earwax removal in East Finchley, one of the first questions that often comes to mind is cost. How much should you expect to pay, and what factors influence the price? The truth is, costs can vary depending on the method used, the clinic you choose, and the level of expertise provided. While it may be tempting to go for the cheapest option available, it's important to understand what you're actually paying for, because when it comes to your ears, safety and quality should always come first. In East Finchley, Hearing First typically uses microsuction, widely considered the safest and most effective method. This advanced technique requires specialized equipment and trained audiologists, which is reflected in the cost. Prices vary depending on the severity of the wax buildup and whether one or both ears need treatment. While DIY options seem cheaper, they often come with risks and can lead to more expensive treatments later. Hearing First East Finchley aims to provide competitive pricing while maintaining the highest standards of care. Contact the clinic directly for clear pricing and to help you hear clearly again.